Nongialam sang hima na ki jilla baper kathan chtai lammi ngi jogari India haka sautrek noi wing 8,000% kila wan haka wei ki jingmut ban Thaw ka Rynsan ya trailang kum ka sin jam ban don ka jingatali bat ka sur ka bakham jam haka san hima kari India. Kani ka Rynsan ka balatip kum ka one northeast kan deiru ka Rynsan Ïakren ya ki mat Jingeh baki Riewlum ka than ki kando na kapor shakiwe ki jilla kari India. La Thaw kani ka one northeast da ka Jingeh soy lang ukonrat ki sangma national president ka seng NPP menteri rangba ka jilla Meghalaya Pradyot Bikram Manikya nong seng ka Tipra Motha Hon Lumo ki kon national spokesperson barem ka BJP but menteri barem ka sarkar Nagaland Daniel Langthasa nong seng ka People's Party Assam lembat kiwe pan. Da ka pasyam ba ka bor ka syong ha ka jingatali ki Nongialam ka one northeast ki ong ba ki Riewlum ka than chatay lammi ngi kari India kila dayban jam shakhamat palat banya ka sanhima ka bayapra kila ong ba ki mat Ïakren ki day ki jo na ka banda ki dong shong ka than Henry Bon sen pat na ki Rynsan ki bayapher bat kumta kala day ka por ban ai ha ki dong shong ka way ka sur.
We, the leaders from different states of the northeast, have come together today to make a collective and a historic announcement, which is the coming together of various voices of our region to form a united, singular political entity that truly represents the aspirations of our people. For too long, we, the younger generation leaders in Northeast, have spoken about the same issues and concerns of our people. We have realized that our strength lies in unity and that it is time to give our people one collective voice. Taking inspiration from the vision and legacy of great leaders who fought selflessly for the identity and development of our land, we have resolved to carry forward their ideals by coming together under a shared vision for the future of the Northeast. Today's announcement marks the first step towards building this common platform. To take this initiative forward, we have decided to constitute a committee that will deliberate on the future course of action, including the modalities and structure of the proposed political entity. Our united effort is guided by a simple conviction that the people of the Northeast deserve to be heard, respected, and represented through a strong, unified, and indigenous political voice at the national level. Together, we stand committed to building a stronger and more united Northeast. Number one, obviously, we cannot put all our principles, all our constitution, everything in the statement. The joint committee that is going to be submitting its report or whatever the steps forward will be giving the details of all aspects, including the principles on which this new entity is going to move forward in. So therefore, all of that will come in. Today, we are only announcing that we have decided that we will work together, and the modalities of that is going to be worked out within the next 45 days, number one. Number two, we're not here to fight with anybody. We're not here to try to say that we're going to contest against anybody. We are all only saying is that the platform or the entity that we're trying to create is something that the Northeast today needs. That is all that is driving us today. We take up different issues And sometimes we find ourselves alone in taking up those issues. And we realize that those issues actually sometimes cut across the borders. But because we are different political entities, we are not able to take this. Let me make it very clear, what is driving our decision is the interest of our people and the interest of our region. That is what the primary. And in that process, we will take things forward, we will work. We are working today with the central government. We move forward and we'll see. We are not here to, to fight with anybody or the contest or something. I mean, obviously as a political party, we will contest our elections. But as I said, our primary focus is on the people of the Northeast. And the idea is to give a singular platform where people of the Northeast and different political parties can come together and be a one voice for the people of the Northeast. See, it is very clear from the stand that we have been in the past, whether it is the Tipra Morta or whether it is the NPP, we have been a part of the central government and we're working with them. So we are very clear on that. But I've been very clear that our decisions and all our political points are mainly based and centered around the interest of our people. I think the primary point right now which we should all focus on is the fact that we are not here to pick a fight with anybody, but as I said, we are here because we have strongly felt that coming together is going to be making us stronger. Coming together will ensure that we have a voice that will be heard. Coming together will ensure that we are there to support each other. And that's really the primary motive of today's press conference, and that's how we're going to move forward.
We want to speak for the people of Northeast. For far too long, we have spoken the same things about our land, about our people, about our culture, about the future of our next generation, but we have spoken either as individuals or as separate political entities. We are all one here. We all have similar problems. We all have similar challenges. And I think that if we have to speak for a region, then we should all shed our personal ambitions and egos and come together for the sake of our people, our communities, and speak as one singular political entity. इसी के लिए हमने ये कदम ली है और मैं आशा करता हूं और विश्वास भी करता हूं कि अहंकार से कुछ नहीं होगा. We have to shed our personal ambitions and egos, and we should come together because the most important thing in political sphere or platform is not personal interest, but the interest of our people. Our people need collective leadership. Our people need a political voice, not only in the Northeast, but also outside Northeast. Mainly in Delhi, in Bombay, in Bangalore, in Hyderabad, across metros, Calcutta, and we are going to attempt to do this. And again, to everyone who may have certain questions, our singular effort is to unify the separate voices of Northeast into one singular platform so that we can articulate our point of view to people who perhaps may not understand our challenges. Our challenges are not just within the country, but we also share a big boundary with neighboring countries. And I think that if we can come together, you will probably be able to understand and we will be able to articulate our views in a more cohesive manner.
Habatin, page bahagi kishab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataye kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut page ya kishab plus F hakajingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la Ïakren diat bat ka bathau bha kam kta ka dur jingki marbam ka jingma lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita ka don ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka kia Kan nutrition bakam bhak, ke jing im bakam bha, pendon kam daki mar ba modon ka sharp plus F menta kasni.
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.